Hi everyone, welcome to Ditzy Beauty, and today I'm going to show you how to get this fun polka dotted 4th of July look. So let's hop right into that. I've already primed my lid and I used the Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay just to get a nude shade on my lid, and all I used were these first 3 colors. So I used Skimp at my brow for a little shimmer. I used Stark all over my lid and a tiny bit of Fresk in my crease to give my eye a little bit of dimension before I apply all this eyeliner. And I just took some black eyeliner and drew a line, and that's it so far. First I'm going to start off with the white NYX eyeliner. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to get some, and you're going to just start dot Kiki. Sorry, my dog's down here today and she just bumped the table. I don't know if you guys can kind of see what I'm doing, but you're just gonna kind of make some dots. Oh, that was a big dot. Oh well. It doesn't matter about what size they are or anything. This brush is driving me nuts. There we go. I'm gonna put it back in to get a little more white on my. So once you get the white done, and all you're doing is making little dots all over your eyelid. Like, it's that simple. The next color I'm going to take is the red. And it's the exact same brand, only this one is NYX Vivid Brights. And the white's just White Blanco. So, that's the only difference. So, same concept. Tiny little dots. Oh. And if you can't tell, I made a little bit of a mistake there, but normally I would take a Q-tip, but I am running a bit behind this morning, so I'm trying to kind of hurry up. But I was cleaning up this eye over here and just, yeah, you gotta really let that dry too. Next, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Vivid. I think this one's called Sapphire Blue or something, but to me it looks like a royal blue, and it's just perfect for this look. It kind of reminds me of sprinkles. So there is my second one. So we will let this dry. And then I'm going to be applying, actually that's it. So I'm gonna go put my fake, I guess I forgot about that. You're gonna take a blue eyeshadow. I'm using the MAC in Deep Truth. And you're just gonna put that on a flat brush. And you're just gonna go under and on your line right here. If you have blue eyeliner that can go on your waterline, that would be also really cute right there. But I don't. All I have is white. So I'm going to be taking my NYX white and be putting that on my waterline. Sorry for anything that looked creepy. Ooh, my eyes are watering now almost. I will be right back. I'm going to put this eyelash on and do the rest of my face, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so I'm back. I was actually running really late. I had to hop in my car, drive to work, and so I have like 2 seconds to show you guys the results of this look. This is my complete look for the day. So yeah, and I will take pictures here in a minute and clock in and start working. So bye. Hope you guys have a good day.